So big up to everyone, lovely family and lovely friends out there. Today is a massive day for Ghana, massive for Black Stars and all of us. Ghana taking Madagascar African Cup of Nations qualifies. And I'm gonna share my thought about this game and my possible um, first 11. You know, so guys. Today game, what are you expecting from Black Stars? Nothing but a win. But the win is not gonna come easy. Um, you know, Playing against a team like this, it is always difficult. But I do believe that as Ghana playing home, they need to do their best possible to get at least um, a win on this game. They should get more than a goal. This will be my first 11. Yeah, this will be my first 11 this evening against the Comoros. So, guys, what do you think about this first 11? What do you think? What player you think he doesn't deserve to start the game, and what player you think he need to come in? Well, to me, I do believe that all the players that call in come, everyone absolutely deserve to start the game. But as you and I all know, not all of the players that can start the game can get first 11. So at the end of the day, some will start, some will stay at the bench. And if you find some player in the bench, not that maybe it does not deserve to be in the starting lineup, but it is how it is. Life is always like that. So what do you think about this first 11? What player do you feel like it should come in? Give your comment. And how many goals do you expecting from Black Stars today? Myself, I'm expecting at least 3 goals today, and I believe that that is going to happen. 3 goals, Ghana going to get 3 to 4 goals. But my prediction today is 3 goals. Um, Today game, what I believe Ghana Black Stars need to do if they really want to get a massive win, they need to approach the game like the way they approach the Nigeria game. They need to approach the game like they are going to play against Cameroon. They are going to play against Morocco, Tunisia, or Cote d'Ivoire. Yeah, if they approach the game in this way, it will motivate the guys to come out and get a massive win. But if they feel like, well, Madagascar, Madagascar cannot play ball with Ghana and all that. We also what happened in the African Cup of Nations. No one thought even that Comoros would play draw against Ghana. By the end of the day, they beat us. And no one, every Ghanaian out there, do not really want to remember this match against Comoros. So for me, I believe that if Ghana really want to win, they have to approach the game like the way they approach the game against Nigeria. So if they approach the game in this way, I believe that Ghana will gonna get a win because it's every qualification open day sometimes it's not easy because every team don't want to lose. If you were sad wall at the qualifiers, your opening games always so. And these teams are coming to Ghana. You notice that yesterday it was raining back in Ghana, but still Madagascar team was standing in the rain, training, all that, meaning they are in Ghana for business because they have nothing to lose. Playing against Ghana, pressure are not on them. That's the truth. Pressure are on Ghana because if Madagascar lose, it is not news. But if Ghana lose against Madagascar, it is a big news. So it is pressure on Ghana. Pressure are not in Madagascar. So they're gonna flow. They're gonna um, sit down and make sure that they will go for counter attack. That is what I noticed them today. What they're gonna do because they know that there's no way they will go to Ghana and open up. So they're gonna sit up and target for counter attack. So Ghana need to be aware of this. So you can see my first 11 because we need the right wingers and the left to be wide. So you know what Kamaldeen Sulemana can do because when he's unfit, you know what he can do, can shoot, can dribble. And if you have someone like Joseph Pense, this guy is doing pretty well. But when it comes to Black Star, he's not getting playing time always. But So guys, what do you think? What do you think? Dede are you and Anthony starting from the front? What do you think? Yes. Um, yeah, that is what I am expecting for the coach to do, starting from Dede you and Anthony at the front, and Joseph Pencil at the right side, Kamaldeen Sulemana on the left side, and Kudus Mohammed, and alongside Baba Idrisu Baba, you know. So yeah, that's the few things that I thought if Ghana wanna win the game, if they get this first 11, I believe that Ghana gonna get 3 goals today. But let's wait and see the first 11. But that is what I believe. These are the players that I will put out there to face the Comoros, and Ghana need to go. So what do you think? How many goals do you expect Ghana to win today? Give your comment. How many goals are you expecting from Black Stars, and what player you think you are expecting him to start? That is mine. That is my first 11. I could be wrong, but that is the first 11 that I believe that if they get a chance, they can pull like 3 goals this evening. So go for Ghana, go for Black Stars, one Ghana, one Black Stars. And my prediction today is three, and these 3 goals, um, Anthony Semenyo is gonna get first goal today. Gonna score today. I don't know whether first goal or not, but he's gonna get a goal today. Andrea, you probably gonna get a goal, and Kudos or Sulemana, one of them gonna get a goal. That is my prediction today. So Ghana, go for Ghana, go for Black Stars, and one love, guys.